Welcome to our channel. Today we'll discuss about Telangana government gears up for caste census bill in budget session. Introduction. 1. Capture attention. Begin with a powerful hook that highlights the significance of the Telangana government's move towards a caste census bill. You could mention the historical context, the ongoing debate surrounding caste-based reservations, or the potential implications for various social groups. 2. Background information. Briefly explain the concept of a caste census, its purpose, and the last time it was conducted in India, 1931 by the British. Mention the ongoing demand for a caste census in Telangana and other states, and the arguments for and against it. 3. Telangana's initiative. Discuss the recent announcement by Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao regarding the caste census bill. Explain the key features of the proposed bill, such as the methodology, data collection process, and intended uses of the data. 4. National context. Broaden the scope by mentioning similar initiatives in other states like Bihar, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Briefly discuss the national debate surrounding caste-based data and its implications for affirmative action policies. Arguments for and against the caste census bill. 1. Proponents' arguments. Data for effective policymaking. Highlight how accurate caste data can help the government design targeted welfare schemes and development programs for different communities. Transparency and accountability. Emphasize the need for transparency and caste representation in government jobs and educational institutions, which a caste census can provide. Addressing social inequalities. Underscore how caste data can help identify and address social and economic disparities faced by marginalized communities. 2. Opponents' arguments. Misuse of data. Raise concerns about the potential misuse of caste data for political gains or social discrimination. Social tensions. Express worries that the census could exacerbate social tensions and caste conflicts. Logistical challenges. Point out the logistical difficulties and financial burden of conducting a large-scale caste census. Potential impacts of the caste census bill. 1. Political landscape. Analyze how the caste census bill could impact the political landscape in Telangana and nationally. Consider its implications for different political parties and their strategies. 2. Social and economic spheres. Discuss the potential social and economic impacts of the caste census. Explore how it could affect inter-caste relations, social mobility, and resource allocation. 3. Legal and constitutional challenges. Address potential legal and constitutional challenges to the caste census bill, considering existing laws and reservations policies. Conclusion. 1. Recap and reiterate significance. Briefly summarize the key arguments for and against the caste census bill, and reiterate its potential significance for Telangana and India. 2. Open questions and future directions. Acknowledge the uncertainties and raise open questions about the implementation and outcomes of the caste census. Discuss potential future directions and the need for careful planning and execution. 3. Call to action. Conclude with a call to action, encouraging further discussion, research, and informed decision-making on this critical issue. 4. Thanks for watching.